Hello, my name is Jerfi Szilárd. I am the owner of bluefx.net. This tutorial will be divided in two sections. In the first part, I will demonstrate how you can work and render heavy projects inside After Effects. In the second part, I will show you how you can customize and use my free template called Spinbox. Okay, so first let me talk about working with heavy projects inside After Effects. So, as a general rule, only preview the stuff that you really need to see. For example, this is another template of mine. It's called the movie trailer. Okay, the actual resolution of this project is Full HD. Now, it's a lot bigger than my screen. There is no sense in viewing this in full resolution because the composition will be scaled down, so I will render all the pixels, all the frames, but I will see less than a quarter of it, so 25%. I have it set to full resolution. Let's say I want to see what happens here. Now look how much time it takes me to render, to preview just one single frame. Let's make this time shorter. Now, how can we do that? Let's put this to quarter resolution. You see, it's much faster. But sometimes even quarter resolution can be too big. Go here to custom, write in 6 here and 6 there, so every 6th pixel will be rendered. Now it goes much faster. You can even go up to 1/8 of a pixel in full HD compositions. Now, another rule, and this happens quite often in After Effects templates or projects that you need to modify. Let's say I just want to modify the text. Why should I see all the other effects that take so much time to render? I only need the text, so I select the text. Okay, this is the text, this is the layer, and I solo it. Boom, everything goes super fast. Okay, that's it. You don't need to see anything else. Now you can see the movement of the text. Okay, here it starts and here it ends. Now let's turn a couple of more layers on. Okay, now it's good to identify the most render heavy layer and shut it off while you work. So for me it is this layer, this particle layer. So if I shut it off, I will have much faster render preview times. Okay, let's say I want to preview how this text disappears. Now you don't want to preview all here, so you don't want to go to the beginning. Oh, sorry, to this is where the animation starts. You don't want to preview everything. You don't need to see this part. You only need to see the text, how it moves. Okay, so what you do is drag this time a little closer, okay, and the end part of it, so you only see what you have to see. And now hit the preview button, the 0 on the num key. Okay, okay, this is all I wanted to see. Another cool trick is when you want to preview audio. So you don't need to render everything, you just push the dot key on your num keyboard here, again here, and only the audio will play. Okay, now let's say you want to render a quick preview of the project. Not the full preview, just a quick one to see all the movements and the timing of the video. So go to composition, make movie, And here at the render settings, push this best settings. Okay, you don't need such a high resolution. You should use only third or quarter of the resolution. So you see 1/4 of this resolution is this 480 by 270. So this is more than enough to see all the motion, all the movements in the video. Okay, use comps frame rate and hit OK here. Now for the output mode, what I recommend is using QuickTime with photo JPEG compression. So select this. I generally put it to best, but you can make it lower to make the render even faster. Okay, I will hit cancel now. You should select audio if you have audio. If you don't, then don't. And here you select where you want to save the file, name it accordingly, and hit render. Now for the final render, you need to use different settings. Select the composition, go to composition, make movie. At the render settings, here, don't change anything. Leave it at best settings. So leave this right the way it is. Okay. In the output mode, we need to change a couple of things. So we can use again QuickTime with photo JPEG compression. You can't really see compression artifacts in photo JPEG at best resolution. It renders pretty fast, and I can recommend this. Again, select audio if you have audio. And here is another thing. Let's say you want to have your final render in a normal high definition, not full high definition as it is now. So you can do that from here. If you can set it manually, or go to this setting and select the resolution that you need. I select this, keep everything at high, the stretch quality and aspect ratio and everything. Okay, you hit OK and you can render. Now it's very important that for the final render you use the stretch from the output mode to resize your composition, because this gives you a higher quality stretch than if you would use the settings from the best from the render settings. This is what I mean. So you don't want to change it from here for the final resolution, because this makes your render faster, but the quality is not as good. If you stretch it from the output mode, your render will be slightly slower. It will take a little bit more time, but the stretch quality is a lot higher. This was all. I hope it was useful, and if you have any other questions, please write a comment or send me an email. In the second part of this tutorial series, I will show you how you will be able to edit and customize and use my free template called Spinbox. Thank you, see you soon.